Alright, c'est fini. I'll have to rephotograph this. Again, Under the Wing 72, a little while later, December 30th, early afternoon now. And I've got the bird up here. And my two studio assistants here, Prime Minister Mazel and Dr. Chi Eep, have been pretty excited. They've been singing away since I got the bird on here. Alright. Nur Inayat Khan of blessed memory, murdered by the Nazi military and camp and prison staff and officials and so on, civilian administrators and so on. And here in the United States, decades later, President-elect Donald Trump has the audacity and obscenity, perversity, hatred of Christianity is what it is, and of other faiths as well, of course. It's to say that Hitler did some good things, and Trump admires, expressed admiration for Third Reich generals for their devotion to Hitler. The Third Reich military generals were part and parcel of the mass murder of millions of people by the Reich and their fascist allies around Europe. One of them, Jürgen Stroop, was convicted in an Allied war crimes tribunal after the war of having ordered the execution of captured American Air Corps flyers. Ah, appalling. All right, there you have it. Thank you, guys, gals. I appreciate your feedback. That's bird lingo for feedback.